welcome to my channel. Today's video is a decluttering of my master closet, and this is just my side of the closet. My husband has one on the other side of the room. They're kind of joined, sort of, kind of. Anyway, so this is just a before of my closet. This is a during, because I was actually cleaning out 2 closets this day, so I wasn't actually able to record every bit that I did. But anyway, this video is actually in collab with my friend here on YouTube, Hope, and her channel name is Real Life Mama. I will link her channel down below and her video. Her channel is a lot like mine. She is a stay-at-home mom, and she does a lot of mom tip and mommy lifestyle videos. So definitely go check out her video and her channel, subscribe, give her some love. And if you are coming over from her channel, then welcome. I would love to have you stay and subscribe to my channel as well. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so what you're watching me do right now is just going through some things that are not part of my wardrobe. So it's things like shoes and my toddler's PJs and things like that, because like I said earlier, I was actually working on my toddler's closet the same day. And this closet also took me 2 days to complete.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know, about to see the world.
Also, I know that I'm not doing the Konmari method with my socks, but I do plan to do that whenever I reorganize my drawers and my dresser in my bedroom, so I will definitely do that then.
And somehow we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
So this shelf right here was in my closet, and I decided to move it into my bedroom right beside my side of the bed. And you'll see in a little bit what I decided to put in those bins. Now I'm just hanging up some little hangers that we got from the Dollar Tree, and they actually were meant to hold up my diaper bag, but they ended up being too heavy, which you will see later. Yeah, that ended up falling the next morning because my diaper bag's way too heavy. However, this one did stay because it's just holding the 4 baskets that I use to put my kids' laundry in whenever I fold up their laundry every day. So this is where the Konmari or Konmari method comes in. I'm pulling every bit of my hang-up clothes out of the closet, and I go through them one by one. And you will see me changing clothes every so often. You won't see me changing, but you will see that I have on different clothes every so often because I'm trying them on and seeing if they fit, because there's a whole stack of clothes that my mom gave me that came from someone else, and they are a good bit shorter than I am, so there are some clothes that did not fit.
Sits by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe.
So now that I have gone through all the clothes and decided what I'm keeping and what I'm giving away or giving back to my mom, I am just going through them and trying to separate them in stacks so that I can organize them in my closet. So I wanted to go ahead and show you what the inside of my closet looks like before I put my clothes back in there. That is a bag of cloth diapers that I still have that I still need to sell. And underneath that are some boxes that have some important papers in them. Then there's my scarves and blankets, and the white is my spare sheets that go to my bed. And then there's my tool bag and a diaper bag and a bag that I take when I travel, the baskets that I put my kids' laundry in, and the 2 hooks that I don't know what I'm going to use now. Up there, the first one is my socks, and the next one is my pretty pajamas, if you know what I mean. The third little bin over there is our hurricane box. It has batteries and things like that in there, and that's cards that we got at our wedding. This is just a lint brush. That's an empty container. I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for. And then there's my house coat. And now I'm just starting to put my clothes back in. I'm putting things that I don't normally wear toward the back of my closet, or toward the right side of my closet, I guess I should say. And then the clothes that I wear more often, I'm putting them on the left side, and the ones that are easier to reach just right there in front. So this is the final product of what is hanging up in my closet. I don't have very many clothes, and I'm very happy with that. That is a sweatshirt that I need to go hang up in the coat closet. These are some capris that I've decided to hang on to. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet because I need to lose a few pounds before I wear them again. And these are all the clothes that I am giving to my mom. And here is the shelf, and I will show you what's inside. These are my somewhat nice t-shirts that I folded up in a way that I could see them easily. And I figured that was the Konmari method. And these are all my jeans. I think there's one pair that's missing that was in the dirty laundry. And then down below are my 2-year-old's pajamas, and they are in no particular order because they will just get messed up anyway. So that's that. All right, guys, that's all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. And please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already as well. Don't forget to go check out Hope's channel, Real Life Mama, and get yourself some decluttering and organizing motivation from her as well. All right, thanks, guys. See you next time. Bye.